First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide for inviting us here to witness this great accomplishment our brother Kirk has achieved. It is such a great feat for the Philippines what you did, and you did it with such cultural pride and excellence. And I can really say that this is your destiny, brother. And I just want to say that the Mr. International organization is so lucky to have you as their brand ambassador because you truly fit. You truly fit the characteristics that they are looking for, and I just want to say that before you cherish your moment, continue to be an inspiration to others, and hold the title with dignity and respect. And hopefully, your win is an inspiration to us to better prepare ourselves to our upcoming competition. So thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Hey.
Okay. Thank you so much, Michael. Now let's move on to our Mr. Pilipinas Manhunt Supermodel 2025, Mr. Raven Lansami.
Hello everyone, once again, good evening, and brother. Congratulations, man. Do you remember the night where we were competing as Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide candidates?
I do.
And Mr. International, the really Mr. International 2024 is there. I already said back then, bro, I already feel it, you're going to win the Mr. International. And guess what? Mr. International Kurt won that. Around the biggest applause.
Thank you, bro. You said it many times, man.
Yeah, I'm always saying like, you're going to win the Mr. International. I knew it, and I was never wrong. Kirk, you serve as an inspiration for all of us kings, and on my coming pageant, man, I will always remember those thoughts and those lessons you just told us. Congratulations, brother.
Appreciate it. Always here to know, man.
Thank you so much, Raven. Now let's hear it from Mr. Cosmopolitan, first runner-up himself, Mr. Kenneth Marcelino.
Hello po sa ating mga media partners and sponsor, Kuya Abu, and the first Miss International Republic Philippines. Hello po. And to Mama Jane, hello po. Thank you for inviting us to you. And ayan, and sa playtime po, yeah. I need interpreter po. I need interpreter. Joke lang. Si Kuya Kirk po is, look up po siya. Always look up to you. You're very kind to me kasi you always say, can't think tayo super close. Kasi Englishero po kasi siya eh. So hindi ako magaling mag-English. Yes. Lagi niya sa akin sinasabi na you have a beautiful face, di ba? Tapos you have a chance to be super bad, alright, di ba? So, ginagamit ko yung mga bagay na yun na nakaka-inspire talaga siya sa akin na someday, kung ano siya, kaya ka din maging gano'n. So, I'm very thankful. Yeah, thank you so much. And, dahil ganun ka, you're so very kind, I know that nakukuha mo yung next na Mr. International. So, the Philippines, all the Filipino people is very proud of you. Kahit yung magulang ko, chine-cheer nila ako sa Cosmopolitan, pero nung ikaw naman yung lumaban, ikaw naman yung chine-cheer nila. Sa kaya, di ba, super proud ako sa male pageant ngayon. Kasi binigay talaga natin ang best natin. We cannot kabungkal, and we know the remaining kings pa gagawin nila lahat. And ikaw ang nagsilbing hope sa male pageantry. Kaya, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, Kenneth. Now let's move on to the other Kenneth. Mr. Kenneth Caboncal, our Mr. Supranational fourth runner-up.
That's why we have the count.
I haven't prepared any speech today, but I just want to share my experience during your finals night. Like watching you alone in my room, I was cheering for you, and I feel like I'm so very happy. In fact, that I think I'm the one who won your pageant. So I'm so happy for you, Kirk. I know you deserve it because you prepared a lot. I was watching you during your duration of your pageant, and you were sick, and I was asking you, you are okay? But everything was earned, and I believe that this is your destiny. Because during our time, during Mr. Pilipinas, I remember that a lot of Mr. Pilipinas, a lot of people are bashing me because why not Kirk supranational? Why not? Why Kenneth? I think this title is meant for you, and God has a plan for you to get this title, Miss International. And I'm so happy, and I hope that this title will always remind you to stay humble, stay as you are, and continue to do your responsibility as a king. And thank you, brother, for raising our flag and for bringing pride to our country, to our brothers, and to the organization. Thank you so much, and God bless you always. Always.